Hello, welcome to E-Prime for this evening. I am Daedran. Magnum Tonic Wine has re-signed dancehall artist Ding Dong's contract, naming him their chief dancing officer. The announcement was made by Camel Powell, the regional marketing manager for Magnum at Ding Dong's recent birthday bash. The Dancing King has been a part of the Magnum family since 2017, when he was first assigned as the brand's ambassador. There has been widespread disappointment over the decision by Bob Marley's granddaughter Celia Marley to model Kanye West's controversial White Lives Matter t-shirt in Paris. Critics have said that her runway walk for West's Season 9 Yeezy fashion show is disrespectful to her family's heritage, especially her grandfather Bob, who was known to be a campaigner for the freedom of black people and through his music spoke against racism. Celia's mother, Lauryn Hill, has yet to respond to her daughter's shocking decision. Now, on the international scene, last evening the BET Hip Hop Awards was held at the Cobb Energy Center in Atlanta and was hosted by rapper Fat Joe. The night was filled with awesome performances and suspense as everyone anticipated the name of the winners for each category. Kendrick Lamar dominated the show with 6 wins, including Artist of the Year and Lyricist of the Year, which he is winning for the 8th time. Drake, Lizzo, Lotto, Glorilla, and others were also awarded last evening. Trina copped the I Am Hip Hop Award. She is the 4th female artist or group to take that award. I'm Daedran Gordon. Thank you for watching.